Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what we consider the best electric programmable rice cooker available right now. The AROMA Digital Rice Cooker, model ARC-914 Solomon Islands dollars. This 4-cup uncooked, 8-cup cooked rice cooker is more than just a one-trick kitchen appliance. It's a multitasking powerhouse designed for modern kitchens. Let's kick things off with its build and design. The exterior is finished in stainless steel, which not only gives it a sleek, professional look but also makes it durable and easy to clean. Measuring approximately 8.63 inches deep, 9.25 inches wide, and 8.5 inches tall, this compact design fits easily on any countertop without hogging space. Inside, it can handle 2 to 8 cups of cooked rice, which is ideal for individuals, couples, or even small families. Now let's explore what makes this rice cooker stand out: its intelligent digital controls. It's fully programmable, offering preset functions for white rice, brown rice, flash rice, and steaming. These buttons make it incredibly simple to get perfect results every time, even if you're not a pro in the kitchen. And the flash rice function? That's perfect when you're in a rush and need cooked rice in record time. The magic behind this cooker is AROMA's sensor logic technology. This smart feature adjusts the temperature automatically throughout the cooking cycle. That means your rice or grains come out fluffy, flavorful, and cooked to perfection without any guesswork. It takes care of the details so you don't have to. One of the coolest features is the included steam tray. While your rice is cooking below, you can steam vegetables or proteins up top. Think salmon, broccoli, dumplings, or even chicken. This dual-layer cooking saves time, energy, and cleanup. It's a one-pot solution for entire meals. After your meal is ready, the rice cooker seamlessly switches to a keep warm mode. No more overcooked or cold rice, just warm, ready-to-eat food whenever you're ready. And for busy families or multitaskers, that feature is a real lifesaver. It runs on a 120-volt power system, so if you're outside the US, you may need a converter. Cleaning is also a breeze since the inner pot and accessories are all hand-washable. Let's not forget affordability. At just around $35, this unit is priced well below many multi-cookers and still delivers exceptional performance, versatility, and reliability. So whether you're cooking jasmine rice for dinner, steel-cut oats for breakfast, or steaming vegetables for a healthy side dish, the AROMA Digital Rice Cooker does it all, and does it well. For students, young professionals, and small families alike, it checks all the boxes: affordable, efficient, compact, and smart. That wraps up our hands-on breakdown of the AROMA ARC-914 Solomon Islands dollars. If you're looking to upgrade your kitchen gear without breaking the bank, this rice cooker is an easy recommendation from us here at Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss another smart product review. See you in the next one.